You know what this is? This is the most requested product review in the past 60 days. That's right. Since like, I don't know, the holidays, people have asked me to review the Philips, it's a virtually smokeless indoor grill. We did the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill. It came with a stand, and by the way, I'm almost positive I mentioned that George Foreman pops off the stand and goes right on the counter just like this does. All right, so now it's time to try the Philips version of this. So let me get it set up, check out the directions. Yes, that's right. I'm trying to be a little bit better about reading directions than I was in the past. So come on in close and let's take a look at what we have. Oh, by the way, for my Spanish-speaking audience, there you go. This side's in Spanish, just for you. Pretty basic design. This is the inside. They have infrared beams there, and on the other side, they have some right in here too, on both sides. And then this tray down here slides right out. That's your drip tray. Very easy, very simple. Look at that. And then bring the grill over, and this is it. This goes right on top. Is that it? Is it really that simple? All right, there's basic controls. It's in the off position. That is the keep warm position, and that is the on position. So here's another chuck roast. Same exact weight as the one we tried on the George Foreman grill. We're gonna cook that today. But first I wanna show you the seasonings we're gonna put on it. Kosher salt, granulated onion, granulated garlic, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Here is our beautiful meat, another 3-pound chuck roast. Same exact size as the one we did on the George Foreman indoor grill. So let's turn this on. Whoa, okay, that just went on like instantly. Oh my goodness. Guys, I can feel the heat up to here, this high. So be real careful, don't lean over this thing. Ugh, no sizzle. All right, let's see what happens. Now you're probably wondering why I put it off to the side. It's because I'm gonna put some onions on here too. And it should be just as hot over here as it is over here. It's starting to sizzle a little bit. It took about 5 minutes. So I would give this about 10 minutes to heat up the grill surface if you wanna really get that sizzle when you set it on there. If not, don't worry about it. It's gonna give me the same effects either. I'm gonna move this bad boy to the center a little bit. I know it's gonna mess up my grill marks, I don't care. I wanna cook it well. Now I'm seeing a little bit of the fatty spots get crispy. So let's take a peek. It's been on for about 10 minutes on one side. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna flip it. Nice. Put on some onions. There we go. Those onions will be done in no time. Let's flip our onions. I'm sure that side's done. Oh, yeah, that's crispy. Nice. Let's flip these over here. Bink. See how this is doing? Doing good? We're gonna do another 10 minutes on this side. We're gonna keep flipping it until it's ready. I don't know if you can see how much smoke's coming off this on the camera, but there's quite a bit of smoke. I'm trying to use my apron as a black background so you can see. There's quite a bit of smoke coming off, more coming off this than there was the George Foreman grill, but it's still not a lot where you're gonna set off a smoke alarm or anything. So I'm not complaining. It's doing great. It looks delicious. I just wanted to, it's not virtually smokeless though. I mean, this thing's really starting to put smoke up. If you guys can see it, I'm not sure if you can. I gotta, oh, okay, yeah, we're definitely good. Like it. But we're gonna let that rest, and then we'll cut into it in a minute. Just gonna gently wipe it down. Wow. No, seriously, wow. I didn't think I was gonna like this at all. It even cleans well. There's nothing on it, guys. All right, here's the drip tray. No way. Can't be that easy. I'm not that. I mean, I'm lazy, but look, Anything stuck to it, you just rub it with your finger, boom, it comes right off. You can cover this with foil if you want to. There you go. Bam. All right, let's take a look. We're going to cut the thick side first, so here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. That's more like a medium. The pink's almost all gone. Let's cut right into the middle. Yep, that's a medium rare right there. You got pink down the middle. The edges are cooked. How's this side? This is like really got to be done. Yeah, it's a fatty side. Oh man, it looks so good, guys. All right, you ready? Here we go. Outside's crispy. Inside is as juicy as ever. So good. So the George Foreman we reviewed last week has more area space to cook on. So if you're cooking for a big family, you may want to go with that one. This one here is amazing. It cooked in half the time as George Foreman did. It cooked that same size chuck roast in 30 minutes. Throw those onions on because when you grill onions, they get sweet and they're great alongside your steak. You guys take care. I hope you make the right decision. Get yourself an indoor grill. I got a link down below if you want to grab one of these, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.